Okay, hello my friends. I just finished taking 8 pictures for my website and okay, I came out of the house. Here's above your floor, there's a roof access, but the old landlady used to use it for kind of, what is the convenient farm or something like that. Very many plants over there. But let me see. This is, you have your private spacious balcony. That side and this side, both sides. Let's come inside the apartment. There are 3 or 4 air conditioners. I guess 4 air conditioners. Air conditioners in each bedrooms, in all bedrooms and the living room. So there are 4 air conditioners. This is the second bedroom, and beside the second bedroom, you may try to remember the apartment beside the balcony is the second one. The bedroom. The bedroom beside the kitchen is the third one. Also has an air conditioner. And let's open the window of the third bedroom. Can you see that side is the road you can approach. So you can park also. There's a parking space, 1 car parking is available. And one shortcomings of this place, small kitchen, but brand new. It's not that small, but L shape. Let me see. Let's go to the bathroom and the main bedroom. Oh, okay. Try to remember. Beside the bathroom, placed beside the bedroom. Bathroom is the main bedroom. Main bedroom is quite big. Okay, let's come inside. Oh, so it has an air conditioner, kind of new, and a very big window in the main bedroom. Can you see? That side is maybe you may see the truck or auto there. That's the main bedroom. That's the main road. Can you see? Okay. Let me see. I have almost 30 seconds. Okay, I'm in front of, there is no door frame. What is it? Door seal. There is no door seal. Can you see? This is the main bedroom, and I'm on the beside the main door frame of the main bedroom. That's the third bedroom, and second bedroom, balcony. 2 entrance for the balcony. I was surprised somebody was watching me over there, but it was just black shade or something. Okay, let's come inside. You might be curious if you only see the one picture of the bathroom. Storage, I would say. You may put this one for suitcase. Okay. Kitchen, bathroom is well renovated except the door, but door looks very heavy and strong. Looks good. Okay, thank you very much.